Tunnels, ditches, caverns, and other civil works and associated assemblies. You don't see us, but there we are, for the last 26 years, working beneath the visible surface of our territory. The experience and commitment of our partners, executives and workers, innovation, quality, risk prevention, and the confidence of our constituents have allowed us to grow to become what we are today, a large subterranean construction company. We are Aura Engineering. Since our founding in 1991, every single one of our projects has received the recognition and confidence of our clients, leading them to return to us again and again for their new projects. This is because with harmony and agreement between our executives and workers, we undertake highly specialized, complex projects with responsibility and a commitment to excellence. And through rigorous control and recycling of our waste products, we take special care to maintain a healthy and sustainable environment. This is how we are represented by the recognized technique and professionalism of our work, from the far north to the south, covering nearly the entire national territory. In just the last 10 years, Aura has participated in the progress and development of Codelco, El Teniente Division, Andina Division and Ministro Alice, Los Pelambres Minery, Nova Ventura Minery, Las Cenizas Minery, Mantos de la Luna Minery, Cerro Bayo, Yamana Gold Minery, Endesa and Colbún, among others. From the locality of Chile Chico, in the 11th Aysén region, where Aura executed more than 1,200 meters of tunnel for the Cerro Bayo Minery, to the Mantos de la Luna mine, in the interior area of Tocopilla, where we have executed more than 11,000 meters of tunnels for the new subterranean mine project, as well as extracted more than 200,000 tons of minerals. In the interior of the city of Puerto Montt, on the border of Lake Chapo, Aura executed the bolt, mesh and shotcrete fortification of 9 kilometers of the tunnel Lenca to the central hydroelectric plant, Canutillar. Aura has been present since 1991 in the El Teniente division of Codelco, the largest subterranean mine in the world. In the Diablo Regimiento mine, with 15,000 cubic meters of tunnel and cavern excavation, 4,500 cubic meters of reinforced concrete and shotcrete, and more than 500 tons of structure. In the new Rajo Sur mine, which connects the open pit with the subterranean mine, Aura excavated and constructed 2 emptying troughs, 2 transfer pits, and 2 loading containers. In level Teniente 8, between 2013 and 2015, we executed the transportation level of the new Dacita mine for the circulation of trains that extract the mineral, with more than 1,000 meters of tunnel, with rail tracks and loading containers. Aura also contributed to the recuperation of the Sul town and monument, restoring more than 110,000 square meters of the historical buildings that testify to the mining history of Chile. For Codelco's Andina division, Aura carried out excavation, fortification, concrete operations and the maintenance of the mine between 1995 and 2001, as well as the Aguas Limpias tunnel, which at an altitude of more than 3,000 meters spans 2,400 meters to connect the Disputada and Andina mines. In phase 1 of the expansion plan, between 2007 and 2009, More than 5,000 meters of tunnel were built, and 180,000 cubic meters of rock were excavated in order to construct caverns. Additionally, Aura fortified multiple areas of operation and civic neighborhoods for Andina division, leading to greater security for people and property. In addition to special excavations for ventilation and lubrication piping in the interior mine, in the first subterranean project of Mansa Mine, Ministroales today, of Codelco's North Division, Aura executed 1,500 meters of the access ramp. In the Florida de Yamana gold mine, more than 35,000 meters of tunnel have been executed during the last 8 years. Today we are in the El Peñón mine, owned by the same mining company. And finally, in the mines Taltal Las Luces, Diego de Almagro Altamira, and Cabildo Don Jaime, executing more than 9,000 meters of tunnel with the fortification associated with mid-size copper operations. The rigor and consistency of our work is reflected by our certification by the Gestión Integrada system, based on ISO and OSAS norms. Our constant preoccupation for our workers' safety has led to such low accident rates that in recent years our additional insurance rate has been close to zero. In this way, Aura realizes the benefits of working in harmony with its personnel. Because of this, respect and care for others and the environment are some of Aura's values. Aura makes harmonious interpersonal relationships and healthy coexistence a reality, which encourages tolerance and the resolution of disagreements through dialogue. Our goal is to continue being what we are and doing what we know how to do, maintaining the quality of our work and processes in order to satisfy our clients. With these objectives, we rigorously maintain our equipment and special machinery for subterranean work with the latest technology. Aura possesses the capacity to respond in a timely manner to the investment that each project requires and to associate with other companies when the magnitude of a job requires it. At Aura Engineering, we maintain the capacity to adapt to new changes and requirements that the coming times present, with the awareness that today, reducing the impact on society is vital. Subterranean construction projects are and will be high engineering's answer to improving connectivity, productivity, and life quality for future generations. We will be there, providing our experience and new technologies to the work that corresponds to us, beneath the Earth's surface. Aura Engineering, 26 years of solid and sustained growth in mining, energy and service development.